Hey everyone, if you're searching for the best Binance referral code, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the Binance referral code 291935167 to unlock the maximum fee discounts and bonuses on Binance. Whether you're searching for a Binance referral ID, Binance promo code, Binance sign-up code, or Binance bonus code, this is all you need. It's super simple. 1. Click the link in the description. This takes you directly to the Binance sign-up page. 2. Automatic code application. The Binance referral code 291935167 will automatically be applied during sign-up. If not, just copy and paste it from the video description. 3. Create your account. Sign up and start saving immediately. Binance offers some fantastic bonuses for new users. Welcome bonus. By signing up with the referral code 2C919355167, you can receive up to a $100 USDT bonus. This typically involves completing tasks like verifying your profile and trading a certain amount. Referral program. Earn an additional $100 USDT for each friend you refer to Binance, who also signs up and meets the qualifying criteria. These promotions are designed to reward both new and existing users, making Binance a great choice for growing your crypto portfolio. By using the referral code 291935167, you'll get a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. But here's the trick. Enable BNB discounts. After signing up, log into your Binance account, go to the Fees section, and enable the BNB fee discount. This gives you an additional 25% off, bringing your total discount to a massive 45%. Don't miss out on these savings and bonuses. Click the link below, sign up with the Binance referral code 291935167, and maximize your trading benefits today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading!